want a spirit on the stage. I want to say thank you to our first people, indigenous people, for forgiveness, for staying strong, acceptance, take focus for all of us to work together. And the friend Pearl who was an elder that connected to Brooke Standing Rock there. The elder had a vision that beyond what happened to Standing Rock, that many fires would spark, millions of fires would ignite, and many other rooms that happened. Little fires, coals, sparks. And when I look at Patriarch, I see one layer past that anger and that fear. And I see a heart with all of our Lord. And I ask for forgiveness for those men that are making those mistakes. And part of the work that I'm helping to do is help educate our brothers to breathe, to live without fear, to remember, to listen to their elders. A lot of them don't have elders in their life. So on top of all that medicine that's in this room, ask for forgiveness and acceptance, prayer for those that are wounded on the interior, which reflects the exterior. Remember that those men are wounded in medicine too. So thank you to all you guys for holding that, walking that tender line that we're in. It's not go there and don't really.
Dear brother, when you get in the car back in London, thinks you're sleeping in a gutter. We both know you can do better. But when you get to write your older brother a letter, hey man, I miss you, get my shit together. And for the record, I wrote this note as a reminder that I'm hoping you there's a future you can believe in. Let it take more than song of justice and freedom. Yeah. There's a future. You can believe it. Let it take more than song of justice and freedom. Freedom, yeah, if you're thinking about leaving, hold my hand, understand this too can be your kingdom blessed. And when the rain comes, put your hands in the dirt, Mama, this is where you came from. 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 Systems broken, no fucks given. Wealthy people living on the backs of the broken. Dreams of America. Dreams of America. Need a pop carrier. Let me smudge your eyes so the vision can get clearer. Your mother's crying, boy, can you hear her? What I see in you, hey, I'm cheap and free. Place to start, don't hide behind your heart. You gotta put down the weight. You gotta get out of your way. You gotta put down the weight. gotta get out of